What's up, party people? Normally, I wouldn't make a video like this. I've only done like 3, 4 food videos out of all my videos I made, but they turned out really well. I haven't made any fries in like probably about at least a year. I've made them all the time, like the last couple of years. It's just fun cutting up the potatoes and seasoning them, rolling them around in oil. I guess I should talk about the process. My mouth is watering. It's hard to talk. I hope it doesn't drip on my phone and hit that stop button. Literally, it's happened before with a bead of sweat. But yeah. So you take a. I took two whole potatoes, chopped them up into little wedges. I just cut them in half, or I cut it into a little circle, and then cut that circle in half, which will give you a wedge. And I cut long or short ways, and I took them. For me personally, I use salt, pepper, uh, red pepper, and I believe onion powder. And I'm sorry, I'm trying to remember. I wasn't expecting to give ingredients or expecting to do this video at all. But here's the important part. Oh, actually, man, I messed up. But I'm not redoing this video. I'll leave the link. The link, man. Damn it, I just want to eat. I'll leave the directions in the description. But once again, let's start from the very top. Not editing this video. I don't care that much. I gotta eat. But a little lightheaded. Like I haven't eaten it all today. So you take the potatoes, you cut them up. Here's the important part. In order to make them crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside, like a mashed potato, I'm like moving my left hand around. That's why the camera's. Let me put it on my damn phone. Okay, so you take them, soak them in ice cold water with ice cubes in it. I did 20 minutes. Not in the refrigerator or anything, just sitting out like that, room temperature. I put them in a little glass bowl. Then you take them, you use that. I use the same bowl. Be economical. Dump them in there. Not soaking wet, of course. Put the onion powder, black pepper, salt, and whatever else you want to put on there. Roll it around in oil. That's the important part. You got to put your oil in there. For me, I use vegetable oil. You roll it around in oil in there. You dump it in the air fryer. Do not add any more oil than you already have. Like, you shouldn't use oil in the air fryer, but damn it, I do it anyways. You only live once. I break the rules. All right. So you roll it around, put it in there, cook them for 10 minutes, check them. That's your first run through. You flip them around, throw it in the air. We'll do it. Just, have a little fun like that. Throw it around. And then you put it back in the air fryer. After you flipped them, 10 more minutes, 20 minutes in all, this is what you get. You get crispy fries, creamy on the inside. So yeah, I know this video isn't exactly smooth. When is it ever smooth? But damn it, like I said, I'll leave the direction in the description. It'll all make sense. But yeah, I'm just trying to go eat because I don't want them to get all soggy and weird. But yeah. Anyways, there's your fries. I like dipping them in honey mustard personally. But yeah, dip them in whatever you want. But man, they look good. Boy, they look good. They feel good too. Crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside, like a damn mashed potato. That's it, guys. See ya.